Ukanti kwakulo elinqaku lokubhaliswa kwevenkile, iqonga lemibutho yasekuhlaleni kwisixeko saseGoli nalo liyalihlekiza ikhwelo likamongameli uCyril Ramaphosa lokuba mazibhaliswe zonke iivenkile zasekuhlaleni kumbindi wengxaki yokugula okubangelwa kukutya. Eli qonga likholelwa ukuba ngabanini beevenkile baseMzantsi Afrika kuphela ekufuneka banikwe ithuba lokubhalisa amashishini abo kwaye bakhokhele kushishino lwasezilokishini, hayi abemi bamazwe ngaphandle.
Tina, as the Civil Society Forum in the city of Johannesburg, including our community-based organization, we are taking this resolution collectively so to say we do not accept the resolution that Cyril Ramaphosa as our president has taken to say within 21 days all people must come to UPC and actually register for their health certificate. We are saying as the Civil Society Forum, we only appreciate only fellow South Africans to be part of these processes. No Bangladesh, no Somalian that is undocumented would be actually allowed in these processes. And we have actually called a meeting, a very special sensitive meeting with the Director of Health here in UPC to actually address these issues. We want to review our policies. We want to review our interventions when it comes to our issues that have been raised on the ground. This is a very critical issue. We cannot allow our young people to die like this, having to think, Obuti, we have fought so much for this world, more especially when it comes to abantwana eskolweni. Our people has all the skills that they need to operate this puzzle shop. The question that we need to ask ourselves, before these people they came into our township to take over, ubane beka pusha lizaidor. It was us. It was us. These are political, systematic moves that are being done by our own very government. We are not accepting this, and we are not taking the resolution that speaks to within 21 days, everyone must compile within the Department of Health certificate. We are only allowing only South Africans and only South Africans. Failure to do so, and we are content on this one. Failure to do so, we are going to take it on the ground. Probably we need to start demonstrating what the youth of 1976 did, and we will definitely do that.